If your Frigidaire ice maker isn't making ice and you've ruled out other issues like a frozen fill tube, the water valve is likely the problem. A common cause is a faulty solenoid coil. To test the solenoid coil, first unplug the refrigerator and turn off the water supply. Access the water valve behind the rear panel. Disconnect the wires from the valve. Set your multimeter to measure resistance in ohms. Place the probes on the coil terminals. A good coil shows 200 to 400 ohms. Zero or infinite resistance means the coil is bad and needs replacement. For smart Frigidaire models, check for firmware updates via the Smart HQ app. These provide remote diagnostics that can help identify issues and reduce the need for physical coil testing. If the coil test fails, replace the water valve. Source an OEM replacement part from Frigidaire or a reputable supplier. Before installing the new valve, inspect the wiring. The valve typically has 2 to 3 wires, hot and black, neutral and white, and sometimes a ground wire. Check for loose connections, corrosion, or damaged insulation. Wiring diagrams are often available on Frigidaire's website or apps like Part Select. Connect the wires to the new valve, ensuring they match the original configuration. Incorrect wiring can cause the valve to malfunction or even damage the refrigerator. Once the valve is installed and wired correctly, turn the water supply back on and plug in the refrigerator. Monitor the ice maker to ensure it's producing ice. If the problem persists, consult a professional appliance repair technician. Remember, if you have a model from 2015 to 2023, water valve issues persist due to mineral buildup or power surges. A 2024 recall affected 500,000 units worldwide for faulty solenoid coils, prompting free replacements. So check to see if your unit was part of that recall.